Ano si Baby James? Nasaan ang laptop? Nasaan ang computer? Pumili ka dyan, o. Turo mo yung gusto mo.
Bibili ka na dito?
O, turo. Alin dyan?
Uy!
Magbabasa lang. Tapos na ang magsulat. Magbasa ka na lang dyan. Pili ka ng laptop. Tanggalin mo yung hairpin sa ulo ni Tente. Malis.
Ako. Wala, tito. Ano to?
Laptop din, iba.
Ba't ganito?
Turo mo sa mama mo yung gusto mo.
Ay, pero sa school namin ganito, tito.
Projector lang.
Ang palaki. Ay, dito.
Cream silk hairdo. As shampoo cleans hair, it also strips off vital nutrients. Let's apply cream silk on one side. See how it nourishes each hair
Ano,
strand.
cellphone?
You get hair that's 4 times smoother, and the
Saan
hair
yung iPad?
proves it. Dare to see the cream silk difference. Use cream silk
Nandiyan
after
ata sa
every
likod.
shampoo.
Wala, eh.
Ayan.
Ito, itong gusto ko. iPad shuffle. Ito, oh.
Magkano?
2,690.
Oy, miss, yan ang baka bisyo mo sa buhay niya. Ma,
Mamamala muna ako ng ilang araw. Yun na lang ako hanapin.
Ito sila.
Dito nagtatrabaho si Michael.
fake kiss?
Ang mahal naman yung iPad Nano.
Dito, anong tatak nito? Anong tawag?
Apple.
Christian Bautista.
Ha?
Apple.
Ayan.
Mm-mm.
J.R. Shabo. This guy.
Hala.
Ayan.
Alam mo na.
Hala.
Bayani ang bayani. Mga tagalay
Si Bayani pala kumanta, no? Law-law. Labang palabas.
Wala. Hindi, magandang laptop pag ganun.
Alin?
You know, pag ganun.
Pinakikita lang yan na natitiklop.
Ah, ganun.
Lahat naman nagaganan.
But the MMDA says
Ganda eh.
nalulungkot daw siya.
Dito yung kaklase ko may laptop. Ay, laptop.
This
iPod.
next unrelieving constellations is presented by
Ang mahal. Ang pangit naman.
Bakit?
5,000. Ang pangit eh.
Summer-born Quinquillones is one of the most sought-after young
Dito to,
designers in the
parang
country today.
Mm-mm.
And
Mahal yan. Magkano?
Street meets glam designs, Boy has come up with another revolutionary idea. Hiring talented prison inmates to make his fashion
Ayun, oh.
creation. Believe it or
Mm.
25,000. Ang mahal.
more often than not, they're
Ganito ata yung sa mama mo.
their crimes
HP.
reveal the impression that they
Ay.
cannot be trusted. Thus, they are enemies of our society.
HP ata yun.
Ang itong kulay i-black.
The image of the
Ang
men in
ganun.
prison.
Ah,
Not only in the
ganyan.
Philippines, but the whole world. But before inmates were seen dancing in the World Wide Web, a handful of people have already seen the value and the goodness in each of the men behind bars.
Ganitong tatak sa likod. Ang gusto ko yung apple.
Fashion designer to the
Yung
stars.
Apple, iba yun. Mas pangit yun. Maganda lang yun sa iPad, pero yung computer na ganun, Mac, mahirap gamitin.
Parang another life.
Saan galing yung sing-sing mo?
Ito, bigay ni Ate Lisa. Ito, kay Dada.
I guess another way, like
Ito.
art,
Ito, Andoy.
design.
Ito, hingi ko.
Saan? Alin?
Smith ko. Ayun o, yung bullet.
Of textile paints. Who would have guessed that he is here to teach the
Dito,
inmates
saan mo ito nakukuha? Ay, camera.
Sa mga mall.
He does workshops on how to hand paint on silk
Ay,
and
no.
add textures to the design.
Hanapin mo tong camera natin.
Imagine it.
Ayan, tama.
Security. Mga hardcore criminals, diba? Diba? So scary.
Nandito.
Una. But it actually took
Hindi, ito
me
yan.
like 2 to 3 months para ma-convince. So, after that, naging comfortable naman ako.
Irony.
Bulang.
It's honestly quite hard to put together the tough men working on designer clothes.
We should
Ito.
collaboration. Like,
Kano
say,
Flower Shop.
last month,
Ito ang price niya?
collection was inspired by
8,000.
Justin Paula. And then,
Ay, blue. Ayun na, dito. Ayun ang iyo.
Doon na lang,
Blue.
doon na lang nila kinukuha yung inspiration. So they have their own idea.
The scale of justice may have confined these men in jail, but most certainly not their work of art. Why? A lot of the pieces they help create has reached the stars.
Anong bibili na nito si
Movie and
Ate
TV
Lisa?
personality Jessica Garcia is proud to be a
Ayun,
fan
mga
of Boy's
iPad.
design.
I
always tell Boy whenever I get to talk to him,
Ang magandang iPad yung Apple.
iba talaga yung mga ginagawa niya.
Pag iPad, ano yun, Apple ang tatak.
Most
Lagi.
she admires the golden heart of Boy.
Yung mga fake, iba yun, mga MP3 player lang yun na fake. Pag iba itsura, iba na yun.
artistic side.
Ayun, 5,000.
Ayun, para mga ganon.
Ang ganyan?
Mga ganon.
Gusto ko yung
High
ganyan.
society circle.
Ay, yun.
Casey Concepcion, Rufa Gutierrez, Kim Yap, Tintin Cojuangco, and Lou Tangan are just some of his clients.
Tulog na ako.
At ako ay,
Doon ka, saka tutulog. Doon ka na matulog.
kasi hindi ko alam kung ano mga magiging reaction ng mga clients ko.
Ano oras ka gigising?
The init, parang
Five.
ayaw nila siguro.
5? Sige, gigising din ako ng 5.
Bye-bye.
May hindi ka ba natapos na assignment?
And then I asked some of my friends,
Hindi, bukas gawin natin kung magagawa natin. O, unan mo.
doing it heartily and alam mo yun, with
Bye-bye, good night.
purely.
Sirahin ko na.
Don't be shy.
Bye-bye.
Be proud of it.
Huwag mo patayin!
Boy has already produced an extensive collection
Bye-bye.
Bye.
of fashion designs, from simple shirts to these formal and elegant dresses. These beautiful handbags made
Smell my finger.
are also creations of the inmates. True that the inmates are being punished for their crimes. They should be. That's the law. But taking away their freedom doesn't necessarily mean taking away their dignity. Thanks to people like Boy, a new hope is found that they can be productive even behind bars.
Up next on the beat, if shoes are made for walking, Tony Pet is made for eating. Join him as he visits another Marikina resto in part 3 of the